We are Yuli Pacific Group Berhad, headquartered in Ipoh in the heart of Peninsular Malaysia. Our 77,000 square feet production and warehouse facilities span across 219,368 square feet of land. The company was established in 1992 as an industrial hardware and machinery parts trader. In 2004, as the demand for industrial brushes grew, Yuli Pacific Group made the decision to venture into industrial brush manufacturing. Driven by a pursuit of excellence, we become a leading manufacturer of industrial brushes today. The management team has more than 25 years of experience. Having been well trained, our skilled employees contribute to the growth of both the manufacturing and trading segments of the business. Our strength lies in the dedication and commitment of our executives and employees in ensuring quality products and services. The company produces all kinds of industrial brushes, including disc brush, strip brush, flat brush, spiral brush, as well as household brushes and custom-made brushes. As a distributor, we offer PVC and stainless steel valve settings, pneumatic drives, as well as pipes for a wide range of applications. We are also the appointed distributor of a German brand, Festo. Our assembly lines produce brushes of various specifications for the export and domestic markets. The manufacturing operations are backed by advanced machinery integrating information technology to ensure precise production. Every batch of brushes is thoroughly tested to ensure they meet customers' requirements as part of the stringent quality assurance procedure. The production process varies depending on the type of brush produced. As a specialist, we are able to customize every part of the brush to meet customer specifications based on brush length, bristle strength, stiffness, density, coarseness, fill material and base material. After the brushes are produced, they are moved to packaging, inventory, and logistics. We also offer reconditioning services such as replacing worn-out bristles with new bristles. With a quality management system in place, the company's manufacturing operations have been certified ISO 9001-2015 since 2008 for the manufacturing of consumer and industrial brushes. This accreditation has enabled us to establish a diverse customer base from various industries spread across geographical regions. Our trading segment plays an important role in the overall business of Yuli Pacific Group as it complements our manufacturing segment. We offer various industrial hardware and machinery parts from local and foreign suppliers from Japan, China, and Germany. Over the years, we have maintained strong customer relationships and expanded our customer base due to our capability in meeting their specifications and manufacturing standard. Our customers are from the industrial manufacturing, glove manufacturing, electrical and electronic manufacturing, food processing, wood manufacturing, as well as businesses in industrial and commercial cleaning. The manufacturing sector is diverse, robust, and dynamic. Industrial brush is a key component in the manufacturing processes of various industries. This wear and tear component remains in high demand as the manufacturing sector is one of the engines of growth across the region. Following our establishment in different locations, Yuli Pacific Group continue to look towards the future and expand our presence in the domestic market while bringing our expertise across borders to Southeast Asia and beyond. Yuli Pacific Group, a leading industrial brush manufacturer in Malaysia, providing trusted services and quality products.